Hi, I'm Rob Peretz with FlexDisc, a ground movement training system that utilizes multiplanar movement to increase mobility and flexibility, as well as strengthen core and stabilize our muscles. Its low-impact rolling platform makes it suitable for any fitness level. Today, you will see 3 videos focusing on mobility and flexibility for the shoulders, back, and hips. First exercise focuses on hip mobility. Starting in a quadruped position with one knee on the floor and one knee on the disc, you draw as large a circle as possible with your knee. It is important that you make sure the motion is both clockwise and counterclockwise to gain the maximum advantage for your hip. Our second exercise focuses on the hip and thoracic spine. With one knee on the disc and one leg in a plank position, we draw the number 8 as if it's lying on its side. It's important to try and go as far past your body as possible to maximize the stretch. Our third exercise focuses on the shoulders and the back. Starting in a quadruped position with one hand on each of the discs, we slowly reach with one of the discs and rotate our head to the side. We then alternate to the other disc, reaching and then rotating the head to the side. This alternating reach and rotate will lengthen the spine and stretch the lat and shoulder girdle.